Bruh.
Hey, traders, what's going on? Welcome to episode 557 of the show. You could be doing anything, but you're here. Sorry, I just wanted to. Hey, why not, man? Right? Yeah, 557. Let's go! Basketball! Alright, so. Guess what? Spoiler alert, Bitcoin has done nothing since I last streamed hours ago. Still inside the parameters of the downsloping channel. Still have yet to break these chains, but for now we're still above all three moving averages. So you'd like to see us go higher, based on the divergence, convergence, whatever you want to call it here. It was so close that it could have been either one. All right, no one's gonna get mad. So I would figure in time we would want to break to the upside and hit 8,400, 8,450 for a square up. Maybe get near the PCZ of the X, A, B, C, D. But where's the buying pressure? It came in earlier, but it's done nothing really since then, right? So think about me doing a marathon stream would have just been nothing, dude. Just, we're technically right now, 48 minutes left, potentially bearishly engulfing. I hope this is updating. There's no way it's updating, is it? Of course not. It like has to be up. Okay. So annoying. Let me but if I alt tab, let's see if it updates here. Okay. I don't have it minimized now. So maybe it should be okay. It's just hidden behind my other screen. This score. But yeah, most of y'all have TVs and stuff. I'm just kind of like in limbo streaming. Alright, so bro, I wish there's more to talk about. My god, we covered it so thoroughly in the day stream. 2 hours, 30 minutes, right? So Grayscale crypto commercial? No SD. Did it happen? For real? So I was like really loud on my side. Come on, please update. It's not doing anything yet. Okay. Y'all let me know if it updates. Okay, I know it's not going to be like perfectly real time. I mean, it's ESPN. It's like their score. So. Oh my god. Hey, Bradford, we're going to get a copyright strike for this. Right, dude? Kidding me? Don't make me lose my mind. Okay, hold on. 725. Let's go 750. Even better. I'm liking this more. Copyright strike connect. Let's go. Ooh, I like that. It's sleeker. I don't think it's updating. Chat, is it updating? Is there a timeout? NBA score copyright strike. I'd be the first in North America. First world. First in the world, dude. Okay, so 79.50 on Bitcoin. Litecoin. What happened with Litecoin, man? The darling of our time. It's a tweezer double topping with a bearish engulfing candle to boot. Okay, this is what we call a reversal candle with bearish divergence. Yeah, okay, high risk areas because of many reasons. Many reasons, not just one. Chat. Okay, so you better be careful on Litecoin. I mean, look where we are, dude. The top of the upsloping channel. The horizontal line resistance, we are below it. We're below 130. We're below now the 1414 fib extension, I believe. Below the 1272 fib extension. All right, we're below it all and diverging. Okay, so this is not an area of value. You might want to read up if you think there's value at this spot. Okay. Commercial break. Thank you, Larly. Perfect. I just don't want this to get thwarted. I want it to actually update and be cool, real time. Hey, man, we got crypto. We got basketball scores going on, right? Pretty lit, man. Maybe a copyright strike if we're lucky. 92 points is high for tennis. My God. Dude, I'm not like I'm just happy to be here. Pepe long stalking. Just because Golden State's here doesn't mean I'm not going. Look, does this make me a Toronto fan now? Pepe long stalking. Okay, it's just there, man. It's just there. I don't really know of a better spot to put it on my overlay right now. I'd have to mess around and it'd be kind of annoying. I don't want to go down there because I'd be messing with the dates. You wouldn't be able to see things. And if I shrunk it, you wouldn't even be able to see the numbers. All right. Hey, looks like it's updating, dude. Let's go. Let's go. Barack is cheering for the Raptors. Nuh-uh. How could he? Okay, sweet, man. Bitcoin needs a timeout. Does it? I mean, not really. You know, Litecoin needs a timeout. Bitcoin needs to go, man. But yeah, dude, it's developing. So you got all these coinciding variables, tons of like resistance with fib extensions, upsloping resistance, horizontal line resistance, and divergence. That's 4, right? So we said, yeah, fib extension. Okay, so yeah, man, that's just a lot. Okay, so anyway, here's what, dude, this could very, like, I know it's an idea and it could never play out, whatever, man, but this is how I feel about it. I know it looks like it could break to the upside because you got triple MACD bullish divergence, you got RSI divergence. I get it. Ooh, nice score still here. Sweet. What's up, man? 95.91. Let's go State. Okay, anyway, X, A, B, C, D, the PCZ, pattern completion zone, be $178. You ready for that, man? If it happens. Look, man, it's just a potential run-of-the-mill, everyday potential bullish cipher pattern. All right, all the criteria met except for C to D, and that's what we'd be waiting for. So what would happen, man, if you broke to the upside and made a lower high than your previous high? Well, that'd be head and shoulder stuff. It'd be beautiful head and shoulder stuff too, man. I mean, it wouldn't even be slanted head and shoulders, would it, if we rallied up to hit that 278 again? Okay, so that could even happen before selling off, and you'd still have a valid potential pattern. Okay, so I get it, man. 1, 2, 3. Look at those humps, dude. It's beautiful. Very, very good. And look at the receding volume involved too on the lower lows. That's bullish too. I mean, so you got 3 coinciding variables saying impending price action reversal to the upside. How high we go, no one knows, man. And that's not really what you're looking for. You haven't even made a minor swing high higher than your previous one, right? I mean, it's just not really doing anything. So in time, perhaps, mayhaps, we could see 178 to 180. All right, man. Just an idea. Just a thought, man. Okay. Another potential idea in the short term for XRP, which doesn't seem like it's going to happen, especially if Bitcoin wants to crap out here. It does not want to run to the upside. It's not going to happen. It's just an idea. And XRP could be developing a bearish Gartley right now, like X, A, B, 62% retrace, 126% retrace, right, from A to B. All right, rally up. You'd be looking for an entry for a short at 45 cents, right? But again, this might just not play out at all, which it happens. But you would expect low on price, lower low on price, bullish divergence, right? You got that going on, man. Okay. So that's it. That's the impending price action reversal. That's as good as it's going to get for you, XRP. That's pathetic. It's kind of embarrassing. All right. It would just make all the sense in the world. Rally up. You hit near the top of the downsloping channel you're in. But right now, you're just bearishly engulfing on a much lower high than your previous high. It's not really what you're looking for, man. Oops. Basket butter? Yeah. Wedge, sure. And again, on XRP, you see a wedge. Fine. It would make all the sense in the world. Like I just said, man, like it's got all the makings of a potential varsity athlete, right? Going back to it. Yeah, I see it. It's like, there's only like a couple touch points though. Right? Unless you had it like that, and you just give them an adjust because it keeps false breaking out, right? So do we adjust again? Because that's the way it would really look, right? Where you've already kind of broken out. Just 1 and 2, you're out. So if that's the case, man, all right. Rally up 50%, 60% of the way, then you're going to, if you do that, if you just hit like primary targets from a high to low, not really good. I mean, dude, 60% retrace, you're starting to get into territories where that right shoulder might become real, okay? That's 265.90. So, again, look, can Bitcoin rally to the upside? Because guess what, man? Ethereum's not going to rally by itself, probably. Okay, it's going to need some favorable price action. Drake Connect. Yeah, so whatever. Falling wedge breakout with the divergence. Okay, cool. It's already been discussed that we could rally up and make a right shoulder. Huge, neckline. You break the neckline, you dump, you hit PCZ, you go long, you be Kangs. That's how they work. All right. Wow, we looked at kind of the big four, I guess. Got a lot of stuff that's just kind of down right now. I mean, dang, dude, you got some BTC pairs that on the day are down like nearly 5%. But most of them down about 1%, 2%, not a big deal. So, again, man, 37 minutes left on this 4-hour candle that is turning into a bearish engulfing candle. Okay. Dang, dude. It's a close one, man. It's a close one. Lots of time, Carrie. That's right. Yeah, Larly, how long have y'all had the lead this game? See, I haven't been able to watch really any of it. I mean, I don't cut the cable, and my IT guy's been here the whole time, and we did like a whole, like, we just ran through like 48 gigs of RAM to see if there was any kind of corruption. It was fine. By the way, chat, let's see it, man. Let's see if my browser crashes. I mean, like, we identified the problem, the error, and he went through a bunch of processes, whatever, from people online, like walking through to fix it. But yeah, it seems like it was Windows. 100% was Windows. For some reason, it was reading my browser and it was freaking out. It was spamming error messages and just literally it would just crap itself and crash. So I don't know. It was just like a definitely software thing. Stupid. Real stupid. Is that cool, man? Cool with everyone? Excuse me. Good lord. Sorry, just getting this, you know, cleaned up. Okay, man. Okay. So we've got a downsloping channel we broke out of. We rallied on up, went sideways, like a little pennant of some sort. And we broke it, man. We broke it, and we're exceeding the 62% retrace from your high to low. Golden retrace, man. You made it. You blasted through the golden zone. Showing a little red right now, not really a big deal. But my God, mother of God, I mean, like, just like Litecoin to the US dollar tether, whatever. I mean, it's kind of there. I mean, do you see it kind of developing, the divergence a little bit? At this point, there's probably a channel. We might have already broken out of it, man. Maybe not, though. But yeah, you're like kind of breaking out of the channel. No established swing high, so we can't anchor from the top. I don't think, not really. Let's anchor 1 and 2 here. It's pretty close together, though, right? Let's just play around. Who cares? Basketball's going on, dude. How can you do this, Golden State? How are you gonna just get wrecked, man? Okay, so if you do it like 1 and 2 on the top here, just 1 on the bottom like that. Heartline resistance, not bad. Okay, I'm digging it, man. I like that. It contains everything. Well, then, so 1, 2, and then 3 on the bottom. Okay. So anyway, 17,226 is your next fib node. Just a minor amount of, oh, yep, right there's a little bit of overhead resistance. From April 15th. You hit it, you just kind of rejected it a little bit. I mean, not bad, dude, at all. This could just, you know, look, we could just pump again and just start building positive Momo, but it's starting to wane a little bit, right? Your Momo? So that's it, man. That's it. You had a crazy uptrend, and you definitely corrected a lot. You corrected probably 50%. before kind of double bottoming here. Adam and Eve for sure. And now you've begun to rally again, man. Good. But until you break the 100% retrace, 18,926, we don't know if this is going to continue on, right? It's being bullish. Okay. And if we break that, then we got targets to the upside. 21,088 is the high to low fib extension. Easy, man. All right. NBA stats.
Bruh. Bruh.
What was that? What was that? What the heck? What's up, David Karpov? Comrade Vladimir Putin says hello. Does he, David, man? Wow. Do you know him? Do you work for the Kremlin, dude? Thank you, man. The two. Carried all, thank you for the congratulatory sentence. Thank you. Sure thing, Micah Tuscan, man. Anytime, dude. Yeah, we covered it. Like on a BTC, like on a USDT. Find out what it meant to me, man. Mr. Ether, you can just post it in Discord, man. Right? Chart? The Equidistant channel. Crypto Glenn. Equidistant. Oh god, it's starting the acid trip song. Hold on. So it looks like the Warriors are screwed. All but screwed, right? Mother of God, man. Dude, Monkey S, man. I feel weird not hearing this. Hello?
Against DeMarcus Cousins, that'll wipe off the 2 points.
Oh boy, oh boy.
Cousins came flying in.
It won't let me adjust the audio. Are you kidding?
Ball was hanging in the cylinder. Cousins came in, jammed it home. We're getting a look at the replay.
Oh, it's off the rim. No doubt it should have counted as a basket.
Tough call. We gotten a couple of looks at it.
Yep.
Oh, they're rigging the game. Canadians are rigging the game. I might be talking in my butt because
I think they can go to review here.
don't even know who they're talking about.
Minutes to go. It's at 1:59. They're going to go to video review. Scott Foster is back in Secaucus. In the last.
I can't like turn it down and make it like a reasonable level. I might. Oops. Can I do it here? Oh, I can do it on this one though.
This could be a huge break for Golden State.
Yeah, I would say right now, look, that ball is definitely off the rim, and Cousins takes it right back down into the basket. That ball had no chance of going in. It was coming off the rim.
Right now it is James Capers, the lead official, Ed Malloy, headsets on.
Okay, chat. Give me a check here. Check me. Audio check.
They may put 2 points on the board for Golden State here.
Let me know.
Depends upon the angle of the camera that is showing it. We saw one angle, but maybe they have a different angle.
Oh, does that? So are they doing that, Stadium Dad?
So it has to be.
So it's going for Golden State.
Evidence to overturn. 103-100. Toronto leading Golden State. 1:59
Crap.
to go. A crucial video review here on what was called.
See, Bradford thinks that I'm going to get copyright struck for audio of this game. God.
Warriors gathering in front of us, our broadcast position.
Fine, I'll just stop it. I'll just go like get headphones and listen myself or something. I don't even know, dude. Whatever, Brad. Anyway, let's get back to Bitcoin that's doing absolutely nothing. And everything else on this market. Doing nothing, dude. Chat. We good? What's up, Marie? Oh yeah, dude, imagine me on Twitch. I'd never have to worry about this crap. Ever. Like, Like I'm like just scared. Like I don't even know like what will copyright strike me, what will ruin me. Like here, like Twitch, you can't do anything. You'd have to be a racist misogynist to get banned there, right? And then you just get warnings. You don't even get strikes, right? Really, it's ridiculous, right? YouTube, oh yeah, you do something. Oh, you're done, dude. You're done. You're screwed forever, man. No, SD. It's not about streaming audio. It's about like them saying like the algorithms would pick up the audio and be like, oh, he played the audio on stream. We have to strike him. Like, really? All of Canada's watching. Is that true? I mean, maybe. I'm sure a lot of Canadians and Americans are watching. It seems kind of likely, a little likely that Litecoin would pull back at these levels. I mean, they're critical resistance levels, like stupid amounts of resistance with divergence occurring after being up like 30% in a few days or something, right? Yeah. Yeah. Make YouTube great again. What a turnaround. All I get to do is just stare at a screen. Like it's not like it's not even up on my screen because it's like white and it looks terrible. So it has to be hidden behind one of my other screens or like one of my other like browser tabs. So now I just get to stare and see 50 seconds left. Golden State 106, Toronto 103. Joe is applying for a new job. Good luck, dude.
Bruh.
One for you, okay? Sure, Eric, man, sure. But, you know, it's... whatever, man. Like, I just don't get it. It's like, why can't there be... I think it's just because there are all these, like, loser scrubs out there that will just... I think there were just so many people, like, just blatantly live streaming, like movies and shows and stuff. And so, like, because of those pieces of crap... they ruined it for everyone else. So now, like, their algos are, like, insane because of all the crazy real fraud. Like, I can't just, like, play a little radio in the background. No. And it really probably won't do anything. Like, I probably wouldn't get copyright strike playing that. But, it's just, like, it's risk, I guess. So... crypto, I don't think crypto will fix it for a very long time because, like, dude, good luck getting, like, everyone from YouTube somewhere else. Good luck, dude. 30 seconds. Is it updating? It looks like 20 seconds, dude. Wayne, we've already looked at Litecoin. Like, we looked at Litecoin to the US dollar and Litecoin to BTC. Just rewind a little bit, man. You'll find it. Okay. Went about it, you know, went into it kind of thoroughly, too, so... yeah, there you go, Anthony. Those kind of people ruined it, right? So now I can't just play a song or play anything without being at high risk of, like, getting wrecked completely. You don't see the extended condition of Litecoin through your own charts. You just see a major break above 120. I mean, did you not check out the analysis I just did? Like with the upsloping resistance, the horizontal line resistance, the psychological resistance, the 1272 fib extension from your previous high to low, like all those things are there. And now you're diverging on your oscillator. And you mean you're kind of diverging here on Bitcoin, chat. I mean, let's be real. And of course it could change. And you could just start, you know, picking up. Maybe like we pull back up 23 minutes left. You know, whatever, next couple 4-hour candles. But, I mean, do you not see you got a high here and you're making, like, the same high with, like, lower levels of positive Momo? I mean, that's very real, chat. Just like it was real down here, it's pretty real here for now. Just saying. Don't get stay-at-home dad. Do it. Don't connect. Brad, remember, we don't have a strike. There's no strike on this channel. Oh, are they losing? Oh, it looks like they're about to. Looks like they're about to. But remember, like, that strike that we got, that's gone. Like, it didn't even exist. It's like it didn't even happen. Okay? So it's like a pristine, squeaky clean channel we're on right now. What's up, Kiki? I'm just watching Golden State win, dude. So they won, right? It's over. Okay, well, I'd play some crazy America song, but, you know, copyright, so screw me, right? Screw my life. But one thing I can do that I cannot get struck for. Let's go, baby. Let's go, America! We back in it, dude. We back in it. Come on. Come on, baby. Was this good? Was this good, chat? Doing things. It'd be like me doing this, man. I'm gonna do it for like 2 seconds. Okay, that's it. That's all I can do, man. I can't even do anymore. Let's go! Okay, sorry. That was it. That was it. Nice job, America. We survived another game. Well, we almost got embarrassed. America almost got embarrassed. But hey, maybe we'll just get embarrassed on Thursday, right? Dude, they did it without the secret weapon, too. Kevin Durant. North Grove, what's up? Don't be confused, man. It'll be alright, dude. What's up, Mr. Muchi, man? Muchi. Coming in from Ethiopia. Cheers, bro. I'll do it, man. I'll give you one.
Bruh.
Oh, Apollo Creek Connect. Oh my god, I can't believe you'd say that, man. Throw in the dang towel, man. Grayscale commercial on Twitter. Oh, well, guess what, SD, man? Guess what? Copyright Connect. Always, right? Can't play cop...
3.6.
Are you living in the
Not
past?
great or terrible.
Thank you for everything. You helped me make money.
Oh, Josemo, thank you, comrade, for the 3.6 rocking, man. Thank you so much, comrade, man. I will be sure to tell the Kremlin about the KGB about all the things you've done, man. Good for you, man. Excellent. I'm glad to hear you making money. Making those rubles, man. Thanks, man. What is truth? What is truth, indeed? We're gonna give this a shot, dude. Hello?
Gold shouldn't weigh down your portfolio. You see where things are going. Digital currencies like Bitcoin are the future. They're secure, borderless, and unlike gold, they actually have utility. Leave the pack behind. It's time to drop gold.
That's kind of weird, though, right?
Go digital. Go grayscale.
The helicopter.
What?
That's like really weird, isn't it? Because the helicopter today kind of like did something like that. Wow. That was weird. kind of world are we living in? Hey, imagine getting copyright strike for playing a commercial on a stream, chat. Not gonna happen. NBA Connect? I don't think so, man. BK, that was good, man. It's good. I mean, I know maybe it's not your team, but it's like, hey, we're more NBA for the year now, right? Yes, it does, Caffeine, man. It does. Let's just see how crazy it gets, man. All right. It's like copyright strike for ad. just would make sense, dude. Oh yeah, dude. Joe, like I'm just like, there's no way you get banned for that. No double dipping on commercials. All in, man. On the grayscale. Okay. And that was a cool commercial though. I think the marketing department did a good job, man, making it happen. All right. So 17 minutes left on the 4-hour candle. I'm just hanging out with y'all tonight. There's not much action going on. It was basketball. And that was it, dude. Yeah, exactly, Neil. Like, it would be like the craziest thing I've ever heard. Uh-oh. Hey, I didn't get to see 1 ounce of that game. Okay. Visually. Only a very small percentage auditorily, and that was live. Okay. Toy channel, everything is a conspiracy, if you didn't know, man. Alright, dude. Yeah, let's play some DJ Screw, man. Perfect, man. Zachary, it's okay, man. Basketball Jones, man. Whoops. Gonna get copyright for that, too. Dude, it's like everything. Okay. I'm scared of it all. Not doing much, man. Not doing much. Yep, all the US dollar tether pairs are like engulfing right now. You want to see a really weird clap? Inverse head and shoulders. It's a BTC pair. It's called Iota Potatoes, man. Really weird, right? Weird clap. I mean, dude, look, you're using literally the collar and the collar here, okay? Gives you the neckline. That is not part of it. This is not it, okay? You broke it, and now you're just back testing, kind of flagging, peniting, whatevering. See if it holds. Maybe we could run again. Measure move would be monstrous. Way up here. Okay. Pretty interesting, though. What's up with the stupid wig? That's the problem with crypto, man. That's the problem with these S coins, man. Should it be this, right? Should it probably be this? Yeah, probably. But if you literally use the one wick, man, you can see there's some sort of downsloping support there, which is weird. Okay. Really weird. YouTube alert. Oh my god, man. YouTube alert. Bruh. I don't even have any sound clips, man. Okay. John Doe, I don't know if that's true, man. Okay. Dude, oh my god. Oh man, what a peasant. Fun. Bro, you think this is gonna hold? Tronkinix, potential Gartley here? Yeah, right. Chad, do you think it will? Dude, you're at the PCZ on Tron, man. I mean, though you're diverging, price action selling off. You know, you're not really like pivoting. I mean, I guess this is the pivot point. You sold off again, and right? But this is what happened, man. Tron Connect broke out of his downsloping channel. Finally hit an 88% retrace, I believe. Yeah. Or maybe a little bit lower than the 88% retrace before bouncing. And now on the breakout, we have formed a bullish Gartley, which, dude, I remember IOTA has done this before, and it was gone afterward. But again, that's like way back. Talking like altcoin spring last year. Same type of stuff. Similar. It wasn't a very large pattern, just like this. So, but clearly you can see we have broken out. I mean, that's clear. Momo shifts there. You've hit a 23% retrace, so we know this is a valid swing low from the from that highest high of the structure up there. All right, so you broke out, man. I mean, not even talking about the pattern, which would be very small profit-taking levels. So I'm talking about from this breakout, look for 517 to 647 in time if it wants to stand. Man, golden zone right here. Haven't lost anything yet. Hold on, let's see. That's good. It's good news so far, chat, that I've not lost anything. Okay. Great. Just give it time. Brace yourself. Lunch is coming. What? Don't call it Tron Connect. Why not? I call it Tron Connect all the time, and everyone does. Everyone does. Josh Holy shot an 81. Nice, dude. Golf. Golf Connect. Concrete Man, there's nothing ever wrong with taking profit at 130 when we've talked about, you saw the analysis I did, right? I mean, the argument's there, like, for why it's a very high risk area. Okay. Anchor points? Anchor points, dude, that's the terminology you call. So you must have 2 anchor points to have a trend line, right? An anchor point's pretty much a pivot point, right? Alright, so like a swing high, another minor high, right? You can't draw a trend line like this, right, with 1 anchor point. It doesn't make sense. Why would you even do that? You can do horizontal lines, right? But if you want an anchor point, 1 anchor point, 2 anchor points for your trend line. So now you have a valid trend line with your 2 anchor points. Does that make sense? Anchor points. It's just like where you have wicks and highs, peaks and valleys. Does that make sense? So I'll show you. That was the hypothetical, right? There's an anchor point here. 1, anchor point 2. Right? And then there's like anchor point 3 on the bottom. Anchor point, almost 4 on the bottom, right? Not as many touches here as we've seen on other channels, but right, for instance, in this upsloping channel, right, that really 1 and 2 and then 3 up here, anchor points. All you need for a parallel channel, you got to have 3 touch points, 3 anchor points, touch points. They're the same thing. Pronoun. It. She, they. Whatever. Tron Connect for sure, yes. Oh, Corey, Mick, I'm not the person to be asking about halvening prices, okay? Supply and demand, evidently, it seems like, says Nola. No Troy channel, that'd be nice to know, though, wouldn't it? It'd be awesome. Oh, really? I'm mistaken? You sound like a Soviet in Chernobyl after the explosion. And I said the core exploded, and you say, you're mistaken. Like, nah, dude. We saw the core exploded. Spoiler alert. Cabo. So H-Town.
Like an 80s movie, don't you forget about me. I hope this tip helps to fund the PC repair bill.
I think we're good, man. I don't I think he fixed it. I could be effing crazy here, but oh, OST's like the rest, man. Yeah, dude. I know, man. Just message me on Discord right now. Okay. So, like, as soon as I get done. Okay. Thank you, man, for the threes. Easy enough, right? Easy clap. High to low. The breakout. The Momo shift, right? And we've hit a 23% retrace 3 times now. Multitude. 1, 2, 3, right? And so you'd expect higher prices. You'd expect a common retrace. We know it, man. A billion times we've done it. Oh, I'm about to sneeze. Oh my god, please don't do this to me. Okay, 471 sats to 611 sats. Oster Toaster. It would seem more likely that we would run up to one of these fib nodes before reversing our price action to the downside again, since Oster Toaster is, well, you get it, right? It's Oster Toaster. It's bearish. It's like history is mainly all bearish, right? Lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. So you'd run up, you'd make your retrace, and then you'd suck again, man. Whoop, suck again, right? One of those fib nodes you'd be looking for common. Well, these are the common areas you run to before you sell off, percentage-wise. Okay, so there you go, man. That's it. There's your Oster Toaster Connect. All right. Litecoin confirmed. Graphite particle explosion. There's graphite on the roof. Ooh, sounds scary. Dude, I'm dead. Sounds real scary, man. So it's just like the rest, man. Oh, we could draw a channel. Sure, if we wanted to. Okay, man. Ooh, is that like a little double bottom? Great, man. It's nothing special. It's just OST doing what pretty much all the other run-of-the-mill S coins are doing. Okay, they were all scrubbing out, and now they're all breaking out, and they're just making scrubby retraces for now. Okay. Should be easy to see anyway. What's freaking me out a little bit about OMG though to BTC, it's a little bit worse. Okay, man, you're like, think about it, you broke out of your wedge channel, same thing, right? But now it's like this little triangle, you're like out of it and back testing it as resistance. You made a lower high than your previous high, which is not really what you're looking for. So like, this is what we would call a bullish butterfly. Okay, you would literally wait until you made like 127% retrace minimum, but it could go all the way down to a 161.8% retrace if it wanted to right here, dude. I mean, it could do that. That puts you like 173 sats. So it's a zone. It's between the 1272 and the 1618, I believe, unless I'm crazy here. The butterfly, I believe, is the range. Because the crab, one of them, the two that are very similar, one is a range, one's not. I believe this was range. Yes, this was the range between 1272 and 1618. Okay, so minimum you'd need to be hitting the 1272 down here for the beginning of the PCC, and you'd be looking for bullish divergence, whatever, at each fib node to see which one would be better of an entry. All right, but yeah, OMG, man. All right, flip it over. Oh yeah, look, a bearish butterfly. Look at this nice uptrend. You sold off. Now you're making higher lows. You're consolidating bullishly. You broke out. Right? Looks pretty good. We got a rally on up. 1272 from your high to low. Is your entry for your short? Kappa. Entry for your long. Radioactive bullets. My fave, dude. My fave. Nothing heavier on the periodic table than your bag of OMG. Ugh. Mucka S, man. I was really like Pepe hands, I guess. Alright, dude. Sorry for your losses. Jeez. Dude, this one. Like, I don't know if it's done. It seems like it is, though. Wow. X, A, B, C, D. Wow. So, looking at...
3.6. Not great, not
freaks
terrible.
me out, man.
Вимисет юкамрет тохтка джибатук ювей, number one rule хивис gold rules, Bitcoin cosmonaut to moon plant money fields strong babes.
Thank you, Zombie A, for the 3.6 Rolkin. Not great, not terrible. The core did not explode. You are mistaken. Tron Connect is not Tron Connect. You are mistaken. Thanks, dude. Appreciate it. Please mention XLM. Okay, XLM has now officially been mentioned, chat. Let it be decreed by the Jesus man himself.
Bruh.
Alright, Prosperity, I did my part, man. Do your part. Do things. Start freaking out. Thanks. Anyway, man, we got... Oh, yeah, hey, look, it's time for your local on the 8s. You're not supposed to know, Joe. You're supposed to be just in awe of the Russian. Okay? You're supposed to be overwhelmed with Russianness. And sit in the... I don't know. Sit in your home and be irradiated by the light of the Soviet Union Kappa. Dude, I don't know, man. I'm just trying. I tried, man. Yeah, you're about to barely engulf, man. 1 minute left. Okay. Golden State versus Toronto. Here it is, man. 55 seconds. Uh-oh. Who's going to win? The Toronto Raptors are in the lead with the bearish engulfing candle. The Golden State must persevere with 40 seconds. You get it. Just kidding. But it is real. It is bearish engulfing technically right now. No joke, comrade. Of course not. Done that trader. Of course not. Excellent, Zombie Man. Well, feel free to abuse it to your liking, okay, man? Did it just for the comrades, alright? California beaches got hit with radiation, probably. Yeah, but no one will ever know. I mean, shouldn't they know, right? Chronicles of Riddick.
3.6. Not great, not terrible.
We still have ticket open for Michray technical analysis supercomputer. Da have a problem with internet browsing applications or shall we close the ticket like the city of Pripyat?
Pripyat! Oh, do you mean really slowly? After like many days, like 3 days or so? Okay, I'll tell you this, chat, right now. You may not be happy with it, but dude, that's like real. I love us just braid to the upside. We could, I mean, but is it not like... Thank you, CCCP tech support, for all the help. I think the comrades came through today. I think we have it fixed, at least the browser. Computer freezing is another thing, but we'll be working on it, man. Definitely working on it. You're not gonna ask. Thanks. No extra arm yet? Yeah. Yeah, I don't think you're supposed to, dude. I think you're supposed to just randomly get cancer in 5 years plus or something. So Raymond Sheik. Armageddon meme? I don't know. You're all a bunch of cowboys? I don't know, man. If, is that what we are? Are we all cowboys? I don't know, man. Probably call it early tonight. Bitcoin's not doing anything. It's Monday night, right? Crypto's dead. Yeah, dude. Okay. Been live for an hour now. Somehow, some way. Whoops. With Bitcoin beginning to diverge, I would really like to see us rally, man, to the upside and invalidate divergence. Make a huge spike in positive Momo. That'd be great. We don't really know yet, but it's starting to happen, right? I mean, it's like the exact same high. So it's like class B bearish divergence. Literally, it's not even convergence at this point. They're the same exact highs. Okay. Cowboys, man. Cow Kings. Of course. Crypto's dead for the 302nd time. I think way more than that, dude. The Toronto Raptors lost. Yes, they did, man. Justin Sun's pissed. Same with Drake. Drake's son, man. He's my favorite whiz kid, dude. But he picks his boogers. Like EBZ. Beanie Babies review. Oh my god. I saw one. Someone was trying to sell their whole lot for like $2,400 on delusional Craigslist subreddit, dude. Okay.
You know it's rare, but RGB can get hot enough to cause issues when it comes to memory. Do you have a software temperature monitor for your RAM?
Of course.
3.6. Not great, not terrible.
Comrade, we will close ticket after your computer stops freezing like nuclear winter. Good luck with this coin analysis. Will you apatient with our team?
Look play it! Bruh. Thanks so much, CCP Tech Support. Crispist, yes. There it is. Okay? I'm good, dude. I'm good. It's not Tim. It's not hardware. It's all software stuff. We already found the root of the problem. The errors. It's funny because I texted him as soon as today when I was like working, like scanning charts and like updating and stuff like that. It crashed. And I wasn't streaming. And so I immediately texted him. And so when I did that, it timestamped. And so we came back and he got here and we went and checked the logs from the time. Oh yeah, there was the problem. And then we checked the logs from today's stream when it froze. Same problem. The same error. That's it, man. We're good. So and then he took steps he needed to take to remedy that problem. And so we're going to see what we're made of. All right. Gangs. Thanks for looking out, Chris and CCCP Tech Support. We have all the Soviets in the Union working on this day and night. Many have died. It's okay, though. For the greater good. Have been watching E3. I saw Introversion Night. I saw the whole playthrough of the new Star Wars game, which looks pretty cool, right? What is it called? The Lost Republic, Jedi Republic, or whatever. It's pretty cool, man. Looks like a lot of I mean, it'd be fun to like test out their the fighting engine to see if it's something like Shadow of it looks kind of like Shadow of Mordor or Shadow of War. So that would be a lot of fun to play. But yeah, that's all I saw. I didn't really see anything else. I hear that Activision Blizzard is scrapping some unknown mobile game to start working on Diablo 4. That's awesome. That's like really cool. Can't really remember. Oh, they're talking about like Overwatch. They're gonna make an MMO of Overwatch or something like that. I don't know. That's about all I got, man. I didn't really look too deeply into it. Gut feeling. Man. I just like I get that this is happening, but dude, I feel that the square up, man. Why would we not go up and run and touch that? It doesn't make sense. Why would you just sell off here without squaring up, without running up to, you know, complete the right shoulder of the potential head and shoulders pattern, right? All these different things. Seems to me that, I don't know, man. Like, that doesn't make me feel good. Right? I don't like Class B bearish divergence. That doesn't make me feel comfortable. That like makes me less confident about a move up now. But again, like I'm saying, we're above all three moving averages now on the daily chat. We bullishly engulfed. and tweezer bottoms, okay? That is extremely bullish stuff. Like, that's a good combo right there. That is super nice. Just saying, man. That's what I think. The daily makes me feel decent about running up to at least test 73, 74, 75, or sorry, 83 to 8,500. But we're below the 20-day moving average, man. Stay below it long enough, you'll run down to the 50. With the 50-day moving average, 71.30. Wow. So, because of the daily, I feel a little bit more. I like us going up versus down, because the daily is stronger than the 4-hour.
Is that a joint?
Thanks for the recognition in the Master TA. Don't worry about copyright. Just start playing Sweet Home Alabama. Free speech.
Oh, I don't get copyright strike for that. I know for a fact I could play that if I wanted to. Like, literally, because I've done it a billion times before, and nothing's happened, ever. Okay. Well, it's not Head and Shoulders yet. It's not even like potential. It's like still potential, even if it runs up and makes that right shoulder. It would have to break the neckline, which neckline, we'll have to go to the daily for that. But again, man, though this is going on, we could easily just keep making positive Momo and keep building it and keep making higher prices. And again, another reason why I kind of like going to the upside is just because of the whole like wave analysis, right, of harmonics. Harmony itself, X, A, B, C, and then you're looking for D at the 88% retrace. Like potential bat. A potential bat, the PCZ is 86.68, man. Alright, so we got Larley square up. We got this potential bat. We got the bullish engulfing candle, tweezer bottom on the daily. Okay, so the argument is stronger with technical analysis that we would run to the upside first before breaking down. That's it. That's the argument, okay? It doesn't mean it's going to play out. It doesn't mean it's going to happen. It just means there are more things pointing in. It's like a pros and cons list, man. That's what you kind of have to do sometimes, technical analysis, man. All right? You got good things brewing on, you know, at least short term on the daily. Does that help? Greg Noblin, my god, that was so much fun, dude. I freaking loved it. It was so difficult. They made the game broken. It was so fun, though. I had my pledge brother. He would play a 0 DPS barb way back then at the beginning, Inferno, because you couldn't progress through. You couldn't go beyond Act 2 Inferno without range. You couldn't. It was impossible. Like, you just wouldn't have barbs, monks. They all sucked, right? Just got wrecked. So I made him go 0 DPS, and I played a Demon Hunter, and that was when they had the crazy Nether Tentacles, that skill, that before they nerfed it, and that was like, oh my god, it just melted everything, dude. So nice. Crossbow. So that's the potential idea, man. That's the idea that we could be thinking. Okay, so that's about it, dude. Are we cool? I think we are cool, chat. Yeah, Joe, that's true. Star Wars game looks sick, but they always do, and then they become boring within days. They normally have incredible graphics, but they are normally always shells of games. It's the money grab stuff, dude. It's like... Thanks, Canal. Yeah, dude, it's good hardware, but again, like, if the software is incompatible and is screwed, then it's not a very good PC, is it? Mailbox duplicating in D3? I remember hearing about that. They fixed that pretty fast. Barb's still stuck in D3. Yeah, now it's just kind of like weird. I don't know. Nothing like it was. It was so much crazier, so much more fun back then. Well, I guess that's the way nostalgia works, right? We're cool, man. We're cool, stay on that. Pretty OP. All right. Demon Hunter's OP though. That's interesting. Yeah, like got to a point where I actually, the last time I like played Diablo was like, I had a friend I played WoW with, but like he was deep into hardcore, and so I started playing hardcore Demon Hunter, and we did the same thing. He was a 0 DPS Crusader, and it was like I was a glass cannon. It was like what is it, like awareness or whatever? It's like your last stand. Like you get hit and you're supposed to die, but that triggers. Remember Introverts United? I play with them, and we were like top 40 North America, season 3. But like then we went season 4, and then I died a couple times. Like, this is stupid, man. I don't want to do this anymore. I didn't want to like. It felt like, because in hardcore, if you die, you die. You lose your whole character. Okay, so. It's funny. I would say Necromancer was always your favorite class, Diablo 2, but now they have it in D3, right? Yes, they were, Greg. They were truly broken. And then all you had to do is have a really nice min-max damage crossbow. It was over, dude. Freaking over. Yeah, Clayton Land, doing well, man. Hope you are too. Awareness, yeah. Passive. Social awareness, Kappa. Alright, chat. I don't know. I'm just hanging out. It's a slow night. Okay, Monday night. So you got it, man. You kind of got the feel for Bitcoin right now. We're going to leave you.
3.6. Not great or terrible.
Been long since original Gartley, Fartley, Barkley Slam Dunk like Chernobyl worker Bitcoin radiation does not scare Need ultimate nuclear mushroom cloud pump to moon make money rich strong babies.
Radiation make us strong in Mother Russia, man. Thanks so much for the 360, Mr. Zombie, man. You've been long since the original Fartley. Yeah, you remember it? Remember, that kid doesn't exist anymore. Whoever made fun of him called her the Fartley. How do you think he feels? Oh, he probably didn't feel anything, but, you know, like, I mean, think about it. Making fun of that pattern that made this, like, all possible. Where it all began. The inception of this whole bull run came from that Gartley. And think about if one made fun of that. Which people did, right? We were getting trolled. Oh, yeah, dude, nah, dude. What are you talking about? T doesn't work, man. We're going to 0, dude. When we're at, like, again, 33.43. It's like, okay. Hey, they get what they deserve, man, because they didn't make dime, dude. All those people talking crap back then. Think about how much money they missed out on, dude. While we're just laughing at them. Like, haha, it worked out like clockwork. I am hit with more radio bullets. Ugh. Most won't stop firing for over 100 years. Texas adverb man. Yes, Zachary, the Fartley. Oh my god, it was so fun, Greg, though. It was so much fun. So, Charlie M., welcome. Good morning to you. It's good evening over here. Hey, JD. Good to see you, man. Peekaboo. Dude, that's an Uber game, dude. Sells off leading up to the Bitcoin halving. Sells off for 9 months after halving and then pumps. Huh. We'll see, man. I don't know. That seems crazy, man. What's up, XRP Zealot, man? Thanks for being here, dude. But, Dibister, is that real? Justin Bieber challenged Tom Cruise to a UFC fight, dude. Oh, what's on now, dude? Hey, Loster, what's up, man? Hey, we got 52. We need 52 new subs for 12,000. Let's go. Probably not going to happen for a year, but it'll be okay. Yeah, Chris, just check out my YouTube channel, man. I mean, I've got a few, like, videos on the, it's like education tab, but the majority, or really almost all my educational content, Chris Ev, is in the Patreon. Okay, so you join in the Patreon, you get immediate access to all the videos I've done educational content, okay? So, and that's just an incentive for you to support me as a streamer. You say, hey man, I like your content, I like you streaming every day, I watch you like cable or whatever, and but hey, man, you're telling me there's more stuff in it for me for just like instead of just supporting you, you talking about I get education, I get trade setups, I get Discord exclusivity. All right, sure, dude. Throw down on Patreon. All right. Hard fork yourself.
Oh, it feels so good!
Let's go. What is this? Yeah, that's Clefairy, dude. That's Clefairy, isn't it? Yeah, dude. I knew it, dude. Yeah, we'll see, man. We'll see. Yeah, you definitely want to check out the Fibonacci video. Hey, check out the Litecoin video today. If you want to know more about divergence, I went over all 3 different types of bullish divergence, I believe. Check it out. Litecoin video, maybe Bitcoin. I think it was Litecoin, though. Because I did them like right kind of back to back, so I don't know. So that's great, man. Think about it, like, oh yeah, you get the Fibonacci video, you get divergence, boom. You learn a lot right there. Hey Ryan Baca, thanks for the 2 super chat, man. The audio makes it. Oh, copyright strike, artsy dude, we're screwed, comrade. All right, chat. Let's do a little rundown. Ryan Baca, Mr. Zombie, Prosperity Plus, CCCP, Tech Support, Chris the Pissed, Joe Simo, David K. Thank you for the contributions tonight. Means a lot. That sucks, man. I didn't even get 1 new sub tonight. Not 1. That means like no one was looking for crypto, I don't think, right? Thanks to the 400 people here, and thanks for the 155 likes. Y'all are great. Okay, really appreciate y'all. Yeah, XRP Zilla, man. It's on one of the 2. Just check them both out. Check out the Bitcoin. I think it's Litecoin though, unless I'm like completely lost it. So. But yeah, man. Remember, the idea is at least a 78% retrace because the daily bullish engulfing candle. We'll leave you with that. We'll leave you with the tweezer bottom on the daily. The 4-hour pin bar, the bullish convergence that made us pivot. X, A, B, C, looking for the last touch point of this potential bearish bat pattern, which unfortunately, if we ran up to this, we're squaring up for Larley, and we're pretty much getting to the area where you could be forming a right shoulder of a potential huge or head and shoulders pattern on the daily. So we'll see what happens, man. Best case scenario, you blast through it all and just run up to $1 billion. Okay. That's probably what you want to do. So anyway, all right. Oh, dang. Thanks for the subs, y'all. G-Man and the Boz. Thanks, dude. Brian Bosworth's here. Are you kidding? Thank y'all. Okay, chat. Y'all are awesome. Get some good sleep tonight. Or if it's daytime for you, work hard. Get better. All right. So I'll be back tomorrow. Rest in peace. The Toronto Raptors. Justin's son is mad. All right. Till next time. Respect the T.A. No browser crashes either yet. Oh my god, man.
That boy is good. Good and terrible.
Adios, turd nuggets.